Hello, and welcome back to the GCLR episode 83, where we've got some more rolling stock. This fleet is slowly getting bigger, isn't it? And the video starts with the very lovely Arthur Day, and he's parked up on the new siding, and he's just waiting to see this new rolling stock pass by. Time for a moment of quiet reflection and a cup of tea, perhaps. Who knows what he's thinking? It's early morning and the beast is out, and you'll get the first glimpse of our new rolling stock. Some of you who know us may have already seen pictures of this. The coaches are built in the GCLR's own workshop. That's really rare, that doesn't happen very often, and they're kind of built on an early Swiss Norwegian design, which were wooden bodied, varnished and left to the elements. Beautiful. The beast heads off to a special press launch with the coaches, where there'll be shareholders, stakeholders, investors, etc. No doubt champagne, breakfast rolls. We're not invited to that. But the rest of the railway is excited to see the coaches when they come back, and they're bringing them in by the busload. Bert on Bulldog is running specials. There's people waiting to come in to see the new coaches come back, and on the station the usual crew are in their usual places, all lined up ready for the new coaches to arrive. They've even put on a special bus from the Kit Kat factory just to see the new coaches arrive in a little while. The word's out, the coaches are on the way, and Arthur Day is all lined up, ready for the coaches to pass by. He's the first to see them, and of course Bert on Bulldog takes the honour of hauling the coaches round the railway. And that was it. That's the coaches gone, put back in the shed until next time. Everybody on the station seems really happy, but sadly it's time to bring this video to a close. Bert on Bulldog drops off the coaches and heads back in the siding. We hope you've enjoyed the video, and we hope to see you next time. Cheerio.